Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today, this is the last day of week 3. We're heading into week 4 tomorrow. There are some of I should say all the hits we've hit this week. We had the embroidered patch, we have a gold card, and the red card. So we got 3 numbered cards this week. Hopefully, we have number 4 and number 5 back here. Let's see what we got. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be entered in the giveaway this week. Still have a few people that have not claimed their prize, so get on that. You're watching on TikTok, come on over to YouTube. It's very easy. It's just Zombiebargainhunter. That's me. Come on over to come on over to YouTube and like, comment, subscribe, and get entered into the giveaway. Every week I give away a $25 gift card to Starbucks, artboard, film cell. Cards. Everybody gets 2 packs of cards plus extra cards. So, no winner box. So make sure you come on over and join the giveaway. And if you actually win, it would help if you actually contact me so I can give it to you. So, yeah, that helps a little bit. Come on, winner, 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 chicken dinner. No chicken dinner for me today. So it is day 7 and no chicken dinner. But we can still find a gold card, so we'll be happy with that. I will be ecstatic with that, actually. Get this stuff out of the way, because I am making a mess. Come on. If you need some cards, go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. And I have the cards. You can buy it by the pack, you can buy it by the 2-pack, you can buy it by the 5-pack, you can buy it by the box. You can buy it any way you want. Any way you want it, that's the way you need it, right? Whoa, I just threw the cards all over the place. We have the lenticular and Woody. Yeah, it's hard to center because I'm using my cell phone and the camera's on the left, so I always center it. See, that's actually center. So I have to force myself to go over more to actually center it. And it's kind of odd. We have a movie quote and Miguel. Movie quote says, "Valuing life is not weakness, and disregarding it is not strength." So yeah, it's a little bit off center. So sorry about that. I try my best, but putting things center looks here, and then I have to put it over here just for you guys to see it. So it's weird. I don't want to survive, I want to live. That's what Wally says. What do we got? We got a Buzz and a Bing Bong. Yeah, I actually have these in sets too, so if you want to just buy all the Toy Story, all the Inside Out, all the Incredibles, you can buy them by the set too. I have a Dory and another Buzz. Dash and a Jessie. Oh, and I have all the film cells up now too. So all the film cells, all the 3D cards, all the Easter eggs, all those are listed. So feel free to come and make an offer. I believe all of my cards have offers available. So the only thing I won't take offers on is the boxes, because I'm not really making money. I'm just doing it for you guys. With shipping and fees and everything, I break out even pretty much on the boxes. So we got Eve and we got Rex. But I will include some cards and some other stuff in there if you buy and let me know that you saw me on YouTube or TikTok. So just let me know, and I will put some extras in there. So hopefully everybody's commented and subscribed this week, and just make sure you DM me when I do the giveaway, so well, you'll get your stuff. I gotta know where you live, right? And we have a lenticular of Remy the Dirty Rat. I don't want him cooking my food, but hey, to each his own. I'm sorry, I don't want no rat cooking my food. We got Dash and we have Alfredo Linguini. Alfredo. You gotta roll your R's when you see Alfredo. Got Inside Out, the Council of Inside Out Emotions. And a lot so. Open Sesame. Got a Bob Parr and a Potato Head. Last chance to get a gold card. Come on, gold. Gold me. No, we got a creepy 3D card. He creeps me out. Oh, and we got a Forky. Alright, let's see what's in these. Oh, we have an Easter egg. I don't think I've seen this Easter egg. I don't think I even have this one listed. Easter egg is just a whole bunch of cards put together, and then it puffs up. It makes it wide, and then there's two like magnifying glasses to see inside. I'm trying to see what's inside. I don't know. And not gonna open it up. I did hear that PSA is starting to grade these, so might get a bunch of these graded. Oh, and we have a film cell. There's Jesse and Bullseye and Woody. So yeah, if you're gonna get cards graded, make sure you get a nice cloth and wipe all the cards down, because sometimes there's like a film on these guys. The factory does it so they don't scratch when you're like opening the packages. So yeah, I've seen cards get terrible grade just because they're not wiped down. So if you're ever thinking of grading these guys, make sure you wipe them. A few people say Swiffer sweeper. I just use a nice cloth for like sunglasses and stuff. I forget what they're called, but those are the cloths I use. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this week. Had a lot of fun. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you join the giveaway. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. If you need any cards, go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. If not, see you tomorrow for the beginning of week 4. Oh, and don't forget the giveaways tomorrow too. Bye.